जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि आजकल की परिस्थितियों में जो एजुकेशन के ऊपर बहुत प्रभाव पड़ा है और इसको कंटिन्यू रखने के लिए जेसी बोस वाईएमसीए यूनिवर्सिटी ने अपना एक ई पोर्टल और डीएलएमएस सिस्टम लॉन्च किया है। जितने भी अध्यापक हैं यूनिवर्सिटी के, वो इसके माध्यम से बच्चों तक अपने लेक्चर्स, अपने नोट्स पहुंचा रहे हैं। इसमें उनके लेक्चर्स रिकॉर्ड करके अपलोड किए गए हैं ताकि किसी छात्र को दिक्कत ना हो। अगर कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है कहीं पे तो वो बाद में भी इन लेक्चर्स को देख सके। यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्रों के लिए एवं यूनिवर्सिटी से संबंधित जितने भी एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज हैं उन सब के लिए ये ई पोर्टल्स डीएलएमएस उपलब्ध है। आपको जानकर खुशी होगी कि हमारी लाइब्रेरी के अंदर ई पोर्टल के माध्यम से तकरीबन 5 लाख से अधिक पुस्तकें अवेलेबल हैं जिनका उपयोग ये सब छात्र कर सकते हैं। यूनिवर्सिटी ने ना केवल यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्रों के लिए बल्कि जो एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज हैं उनके लिए भी ये पोर्टल ओपन कर रहे हुए हैं। मेरा सभी छात्रों से अनुरोध है जो इस यूनिवर्सिटी से संबंध रखते हैं कि वो घबराएं ना, पैनिक ना हो और उनकी पढ़ाई बिल्कुल जारी रहेगी इस ई पोर्टल और डीएलएमएस के माध्यम से, और अपनी पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत करें और उनके लिए जो भी बन पड़ेगा यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से, अध्यापकों की तरफ से, वो उनकी शिक्षा को जारी रखने के लिए किया जाएगा।
During this period of lockdown, almost all the routine activities have come to a halt. But our endeavor at JC Bose University YMCA is that the teaching must continue. And for that purpose, we are providing notes, PPTs, e-learning material, videos, and of course Zoom lectures to our students. This is apart from our e-library and other online platforms available to the students. This is also the time to hone up your skills, to revisit your hobbies and spend some quality time with your family. Stay home, stay safe.
As we all know that all the educational institutions are closed due to COVID-19 lockdown conditions. Under this situation, biggest challenge for our teaching fraternity is to make up for the teaching learning loss to our students. But under the dynamic leadership of our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Kumar, we are handling this situation very effectively. Our faculty members are taking online classes. They are supplying PPTs, PDF, notes, assignments, etc. to their students so that students can study at home. In addition to this, our faculty members are uploading their teaching material on the e-portal of the University Library and digital learning management system of the University, so that the students who are missing these online classes can go to these sites and study these materials and make up for their learning loss. Thank you.
At the outset, I would like to send my warm greetings from the university. We all are going through a very tough time. Each one of us, our family, our economy is affected by the scare of this infection. Our entire way of life is now changing. I would like to share anxiety and preoccupations and express my solidarity with you and your family. Dear parents, I request you to keep your wards at home till official intimation is sent from the university via its website along with their date of rejoining. Students are also advised to revise their courses and attend online classes being conducted by our faculty members and prepare for their end semester examinations. My dear students, we would like to assure you that your future prospects and careers are also our immediate priority. I would like to warn you against any fake communication. You are requested to go through our website for the official communication. Our talented and ever willing to work staff, both teaching and non-teaching, have been working day and night and showing their concern for the students by preparing notes and assignments and engaging online classes. I appreciate their concern for the students and commitment to the academics. Stay home, stay safe.
We are under the threat due to the novel coronavirus, and consequently under the lockdown we are. This has left our life on a standstill. Our students are away from us, yet we are trying to contact with them through the various available platforms. We are trying to make up for their studies through those available platforms. It is requested to all the students to make the proper use of this lockdown. They are further requested to stay at their homes and follow the lockdown strictly to have a safe life. Wishing all a healthy and a safe life ahead. Thank you.
COVID-19 pandemic brought a lot of challenges across the globe. In the lockdown periods, students are advised to stay at home, keep in touch with their teachers, actively participate in e-learning process, e-learning classes, using e-resources, do yoga and meditation. Under the visionary leadership of Vice Chancellor Professor Dinesh Kumar, JC Bose University has developed digital learning management system, digital library platform to fulfill the mission of quality education.